Just wanna see the light.
Welcome to selecting and performing action. In this video we will learn what the left and right mouse button does. You may have tried to select the object by clicking and wonder what's going on. So the left mouse button will move the 3D cursor to the random location on the space. We cannot select the object by left mouse button. For selecting object, you have to right click on the object. You can also perform multiple selection by holding shift and right clicking on object. Here at the outliner, you can see that the 3 object is selected and the last selection is active selection. So it is highlighted with yellow and other are the orange. Here you can see that the 3D cursor is not in center, and to bring back it to the center, you can press Shift plus C from the keyboard. It will bring the 3D cursor to the center and allow to view the whole object in our world. Now you can move the object by holding right mouse button, and to apply the changes, left click on it. I am undoing that by pressing Ctrl plus Z. And now if you drag the object by right click and again press right click, then the action will be cancelled and the object will come back to its original location. You can move the object by clicking and dragging from this controlling handle also. Now if you want to move the 3D cursor to the center of the selected object, press Shift plus S and select cursor to selected. Oh, I have double click, sorry for that. I'll do it again. You can see that the 3D cursor now is at the center of the cube. Now if you want to move the cube to origin, then first move the 3D cursor to the origin by pressing Shift plus C. Now press Shift plus S and click on selection to cursor. You can also move the 3D cursor to the selection of multiple objects. Okay, how did you guys get on, or have you stuck on? Comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll meet you in the next lecture.